So here on Wix website, I'm gonna show you how you can add a quick action bar on Wix website. So first of all, what is this feature? This feature is for mobile. We'll show you on mobile, and it's the purpose behind this feature is to help the experience of the users with the easy access to key functions of your site. Yeah, kind of. So here I'm gonna click on switch to mobile, and then here to enable it, you're gonna have to go here to mobile tools, and then here you have quick action bar. Let visitors take action in your site fast. I'm gonna click on here, add to site, and then here we have the phone, the email, the Facebook. But you know, if you try to move this up, it doesn't work, just so you know. So you're gonna click and try to move up. Don't doesn't work. So yeah, you're gonna click on here more actions, and then here you have so many others. You can also have custom actions. So you have this one here up, and now you can change the color. Yeah, if you want to add this custom, why not? You can. Now you still have more YouTube. You can click on here and set up, paste the link of your YouTube channel, and you know, people will be able to find yours. So yeah, that's pretty much with quick action bar. You can add a call, a button to you for users to directly call your business, a quick email link, directions, link to your business location on the Google Maps, social media buttons to quickly visit your social media pages, you know, and also of course we can move this around. So I hope you found this short video helpful. If you have more questions, let me know in the comments section. Thank you and take care.